Nicole with ENJO here. I thought I'd just answer a question. I'm asked this all the time, almost daily. How does ENJO work compared to my traditional cleaning with a spray bottle? So I thought I would do a quick little visual so you understand the difference. So before I did ENJO, like 10 years ago, that's when I discovered about ENJO. But back 10 years ago, I had no idea about that. So I would go down the Chemical Valley in the grocery stores, I would do it probably 2 times a month of buying different bottles if it was on sale, whatever. And I would keep on buying products because the stuff I bought before did not work. So that cycle kept on doing. So when you clean, I don't know if people realize this, there's 4 steps to a store-bought cleaner. So those 4 steps are, you spray it. So you take your spray bottle, you spray your surfaces. You want it to kind of go all over. Then you want to move it around with your cloth. So I just grabbed like a disposable, convenient cloth that most people have in their homes. This little, I think they're J cloths or whatever, I forget. So you move that around. You do have to let it sit. And this is a part I did not realize, and a lot of people don't realize that. Your product, for it to be effectively cleaning, it needs to sit on a surface for a number of minutes. So read the back of your bottles and see that. So you leave that product sit, and then you move it around, you wash away the dirt and germs. Now, the one thing that I want to point out is you've wiped it away with a cloth, but there's still a residue there. So you're leaving a residue for, if you're in the kitchen, food can now absorb that into your food. So that's a really vital thing to know about cleaning, that the 4th step is actually the most important part of cleaning. You need to rinse away that product residue. And if you read the back of your bottles, it will say that in the directions, which people bypass that like I did. So I thought I'd just explain that. So I'm going to switch. That's the product clean. I want to show you what an ENJO clean looks like. So we use our Austrian-made fibers. I've been to Austria 2 times. I've been blessed with that to see all of our products actually made and manufactured there and hand sewn. So I don't know if you can see. These fibers get really down deep into your pores and crevices. So that's the one side of the glove. Sorry, I'll do it this way. And then these long fibers, they reach down deep into your pores, grab all that dirt and bacteria. It sticks to this glove. You can actually physically see all your dirt and grime sticking to this glove. Pulls that all out. So all you're left, when you're cleaning with ENJO, you're cleaning with water. So what is left is water. So you do need to dry behind. So ENJO is a 2-step process. Use your wet fiber with water. It goes down deep, grabs and traps all that dirt and bacteria, and now all you have to do is dry. So use an ENJO product because we have the superior drying capabilities that will leave everything streak free, and it'll gleam. It will just be fantastic. So when you are cleaning with your products with these little cloths, or whatever cloth rag, whatever you want to use, you're not getting 3 years out of here. You can see the difference in thickness. You're getting 3 years of cleaning with this product. You're gonna have to buy multiple bottles with this, and then replace these cloths over a time period. And then there's a lot more time invested in that when you can simply just use water, use our fibers, get down deep, and pull out all that dirt and bacteria from your surface. Superior clean. Post your comments down below. If you have any questions, you'd like further clarifications, I would be more than happy to show you, talk to you, but I can show you in your own home so you can actually feel that difference in clean when you're using ENJO. Hope to hear from you. Talk to you soon.